And it's Sunny Beach Life, the channel dedicated to Sunny Beach in Bulgaria. And we're going to take a look down the front where some of the bars are getting ready. Some are open, especially the new ones. Look at this. Meet some holiday makers here in May. The beach is pretty empty at the moment, but they're starting to get it ready. Flower Street is really starting to go now. Everything's going to be open this next weekend. And Dober Den,
everybody, on this, what day is it? Wednesday.
the 13th of May. It's been a very slow start because we had a closed airport. Didn't open till the 1st of May. So the May has taken a long time to get going this year.
Yeah, had to start from standing, didn't we? So
Start from nothing. But at the front, we're talking a lot of people walk along, they're all saying hello. And they're planning to open Friday or Saturday this week. So there will be karaoke bars, entertainment, plenty of things from the sort of Friday onwards.
Yeah, so it's all beginning to happen, everybody. And we've just moved up a little bit now from the wheel. And there you can see Aura. They're beginning to get ready. They've got the tables out. So hopefully it won't be long now until I can have a meal at Aura.
And on some of the beach bars like Chill here, they've started putting up the fake palm trees. They've got the leaves on. They're getting ready to open, starting preparing. But some of the others, they're not really doing anything yet. They're going to wait until the first week in June, I think.
Oh, as we just left the Aura there, a few stalls open. No sign of the Glarus karaoke bar, but I'm sure it won't be long. The Fat Cat, loads of people in there getting that ready. They're opening on Saturday evening, so that'll be brilliant if you're here then. And now I'm going to take you over to Stoyan at the Bicardi Bar. See what he has to say. Oh, and this will be the first interview for this season, and it's with Stoyan at the Bicardi Bar. When are you open, Stoyan?
On the 15th of May, darling.
Oh, 15th of May. And what can we expect from the Bicardi Bar? What's exciting about the Bicardi Bar?
It will be DJ, program, everything.
Oh.
It will be very, very happy night.
So come and see Stoyan at the Bicardi Bar from Friday evening. It's going to be a very happy time in Sunny Beach.
The first day is always very happy.
That's brilliant. Thank you, Stoyan, and good luck for the season.
Thank you, thank you. You all the best.
I do. Thank you very much.
Have a nice night.
If you're enjoying this video, hit that like button, natisny batona. This time of the year in Sunny Beach, it's a bit of a mixed bag for restaurants and bars, what's open, what's not open. Such as Ginger's behind me, that probably won't open until the 1st of June. So look out for that, everybody, especially the magic show if it's on. Well, as you can see on the beach, it's still not ready yet. They've started getting it ready, they've got the markers out, so in another week or two this will all have all its brollies and umbrellas, and then it'll look amazing.
And as you see, not a lot happening. It's very early, middle of May. And do you know what? This voice on this woman on this tape, on the casino here at Platinum, it started. And we've put up with this right until October. It'd be better if she started 1st of June, at least I haven't got to put up with it for so long. It's been awful, it's so boring. And I'm not going in there to have a good time, I'll tell you. Whatever she says. Don't like spending money.
Well, we've got to the Eureka Beach now, and as you can see, Živko here. Wave, Živko. is busy setting the beach up. And he's telling us that the Evrika Beach opens on the 23rd of May. So by then, the beach bar and the beach sunbeds will all be set up, ready. Oh, can't wait, it'll be brilliant. Well, this is great. We've found some life now at this end, and it is the Drunken Sailor. There's quite a few people in there. It's been open for nearly 2 weeks now, and so far it's had great reports. So we're going to pop in, see what it's all about, and maybe have a beer. Oh, this is lovely. Strawberry lemonade. Oh, delicious. Nice and refreshing. Well, we've come to the Drunken Sailor now. And as you can see, everybody's having fun. Are you having fun, Amy?
I'm having fun, yes I am.
And what about everybody else? Are you all having fun? And will you come to Sunny Beach again?
100%. 100%.
Oh, that's great. And this is your second time, is it?
Second time. First time I was pregnant, second time I've got the baby with me.
Oh, right. Oh, that's lovely, isn't it?
First holiday abroad.
Oh, that's great. So Sunny Beach is for everybody.
It is for everyone, all ages. Catch you here summer 2026. Wait, we are in 2026, aren't we?
She's brilliant. I think we'll employ Amy. Thank you very much, Amy.
You're welcome. Have a lovely day, guys.
Thank you very much. There's a special offer here. If you bring a shirt or a flag of your favourite team for the ceiling, then you get a free drink.
To get us back to the start again. To get us back to the start. Life finds a way to bring us back where it all began.
Well, now we've left the Drunken Sailor, and I must say there was quite an atmosphere in there. I think it's going to be a great season for them. But anyway, not a lot of anything else is happening up that end, so we'll pop back down to Flower Street to see what's happening here.
Yeah, behind us is Jack's. That opens on Friday, the 15th. There you go. It's almost ready, we're looking at it. Last time I come down a few days ago, I did have a little stroll down. They'd only just started.
Oh, yeah.
It looks a lot different now. And of course, we've got the corner bar open, we've got the arena, Central, Funny Pub, and I said, but this weekend, I think everything's going to be open on Flower Street.
And the bounce is getting ready, so that'll be everything this weekend, as Andrew just said. Anyway, let's go have a little stroll up Flower Street, see what else is happening before we toodle off home.
Yeah, I want my tea now, I'm getting hungry.
Come on then. Well, you know where we are now, don't you? The Pirate Lady's here, so that must mean we're at the corner bar. And actually there's quite a few people in enjoying a nice drink. So that's great. Come to the corner bar when you're here, everybody. And for you younger people, the more energetic amongst us, behind me, the nightclub there is having a refit, is having a rebrand. So there's always something changing in Sunny Beach each year. Maybe you fancy a bit of a nightclub, a bit of a dance in there. I don't think we'll bother.
We have done before.
Well, we did. Well, if you're a fan of tattoos, everybody, on Flower Street, you've got the big one, the Viking Tattoo Studio, and then you've got the Bloody Art Tattoo Studio with the dragon. Andrew, don't mention the dragon.
It's probably going to be a quiz question.
Oh, yeah, it will.
So make note of the dragon where it is. You're on.
Well, everybody, now we're at Central and we're talking to Lubo. We met Lubo a few times last year. Lubo, what can you tell us about Central this year?
this year everything is better. We got the best stuff, the best cocktails, the best food, and everything is cheap. And you're gonna get some good times here. We got tribute shows, we got everything you want. So if you want, come on in and let's have fun.
Oh, that's great. So when you're here on Flower Street, come to Central and have some fun, everybody. Thank you, Lubo.
Thank you too.
Thank you.
I hope you have a very nice day.
And you. Have a good season.
Thank you.
Hello. Hello.
Can I help?
When do you open? Cheers. Thank you very much. I'll tell him.
It makes sense,
I'll tell him to get your best side as well.
Put the hat on. And put your hand and put it on.
They're just going around all the bars and that, man, for the YouTube.
And for
Sunny
going to be out Sunny Beach.
Well, we've left the Central now and we're at the arena. This is great if you love karaoke. Do you, Andrew?
No, I hate karaoke.
So if you fancy a sing-song, the arena bar is now open for that. So that'll be brilliant, won't it, if that's your thing, sing-song, karaoke.
You can also follow us on Facebook and see what we're up to through the entire summer of 2026. You might even meet us while you're here on holiday as well.
It's hard to imagine that in about 14 days' time, this beach will transform. It will look amazing. It'll have brollies on, it'll have loungers on, people will be sunbathing, there'll be sounds. Oh, it'll be amazing. The water sports will start as well. So watch out for that, everybody, because we will be here to film that as well. Oh, can't wait to lay on a lounger myself.
Oh wow, it's getting better by the day. Most of Flower Street is open. This next weekend we're going to have the Bounce open.
Yeah, and Jack's.
So it's all going to be happening after this week. But obviously the next 2 weeks it builds up to full season where absolutely everything will be open.
Yeah.
There'll be buzzing, it'll be full of people, crowds everywhere.
And it'll get warmer as well, so we won't need our jackets then.
Yeah, people down on the beach getting a tan. That's what you need to be doing on your holiday, isn't it?
Yeah.
So anyway, we're going to go home and get our tea now. I'm going to cook it.
Yeah.
So it's ciao ciao for now.
Ciao, ciao, everybody.
See you again later.
Bye. Oh, it was great to get out this afternoon, seeing the resort finally coming alive, doing my first interviewing. So if you like this video, please subscribe and hit that notification bell. Thank you very much. Bye.